In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook Messenger not sending videos. Go to the settings, not sending messages. Now go to the settings and then go to the apps, and when you open the apps manager on this page, you will find every single app you have on your phone. Wait a few seconds and then scroll all the way down until you find the Messenger. Click here on Messenger, click on Force Stop, and then click on Storage, and then click on Clear Data to clear all the data inside the app. Go back again and click on the Power Usage Details. Click on App Launch and turn off this option and make sure those three options here are enabled. Click OK. Click down here on Force Stop and the problem must be solved. If it's not solved yet, this means that you have problem in the network. Don't forget to like, subscribe.